In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Revolut Business Account in Turkey, 2025, step by step. We'll go from the first search to your dashboard, keeping everything clear and secure. Before you start, have your government ID and company documents ready, like your registration certificate and address details, and use a modern browser for the smoothest experience. Begin by opening your web browser and searching for Revolut. Click the official Revolut website and choose Create Account. When the country selector appears, set it to Turkey so the forms and compliance checks match your location. Then continue. Choose your legal business type, such as sole proprietor, limited company, or partnership, and continue. Enter your work email address and continue again. Revolut will send a secure link or code to your inbox. Go to your email and authorize the login, then return to the sign-up flow. If you don't see the message, check your spam folder or request a new link. Enter your mobile phone number, ensuring the correct country code is selected for Turkey, and continue. Type the verification code you receive by SMS to confirm it's you. If needed, you can request the code again, create a strong password, and continue. Provide your date of birth exactly as it appears on your ID and continue. Add your residential address. Use your legal address, including building, street, and district details, then continue. Search for your business's legal name and continue. Now complete your business details carefully. Your legal name as registered, your company registration number, such as a company's house or local registry number, and the date of incorporation. Make sure the spelling and formatting match your official documents to avoid delays. Continue. Enter your business address, city, and postcode. If your trading address differs from the registered address, provide what the form requests and continue. Next, verify your identity. Continue, choose the type of ID you'll use, like a passport or national ID, and follow the prompts. When prompted, start recording video. Allow camera and microphone permissions, keep your face centered, and make sure the room is well lit. Hold your original, unexpired ID clearly in frame without covering holograms or key details. After your verification is submitted, you'll land on your Revolut business dashboard once approval is complete. From here, you can explore your account, review onboarding checklists, and get ready to add team members, connect your tools, and set up accounts and cards. And that's it. Your Revolut business account setup in Turkey is complete.